Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Time for Bank Exams. Today our topic of discussion, percentages for IBPS Clerk Prelim. Before we start our discussion, we request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel Time for Bank Exams and click on the bell icon so that you get notification of all the videos that are uploaded on this channel. Now look at the first question on your screen. Your directions are given. Select the correct alternative from the given choices. 150% of a number is 120, then 80% of that number is. Here 150% of a number is given. How much? 120. Then what to find? 80% of the number equal to question mark. By doing cross multiplication here, 120 into 80 by 150. 0 and 0 cancel. 15, it goes exactly 8 times in 120. Then what is the result? 8 into 8, that is a 64. Answer choice option 3. Third choice is the correct answer. Now look at the next example on your screen. The numerator of a fraction is decreased by 30% and the denominator is increased by 300%. If the resultant fraction is 9 by 8, then find the original fraction. Dear students, I am assuming the fraction as A by B. A is the numerator, B is the denominator. Numerator is decreased by 30%, means now it is 70% of A. Denominator increases by 300%. Already 100% increased by 300 becomes 400%. So 400% of the denominator is equal to, now it is 9 by 8. The resultant fraction is 9 by 8. Yes, simplify this. Of course, you'll get answer here. Percentage cancel, 0 to 0 cancel, 8 here it goes exactly 5 times. Now the result is A by B, the original fraction. A by B is equal to 9 into 5, that is 45 by 7. Option choice 1. First choice is the correct answer. Now look at the next example. The length of a rectangle is increased by 40% and its breadth is decreased by 20%. Find the percentage change in its area. My dear student, just use this formula, you will get answer orally. You can easily answer the question just by using this format. A plus B plus AB by 100. Or you can use X plus Y plus XY by 100. Or P plus Q plus PQ by 100. Now, what is the first one? 40% increase. Second one is 20% decrease. So, plus 40 minus 20. The product of these two is equal to minus into plus, that is a minus. Now product here, over 40 into 20, 800 by 100. Simplify, 0 to 0 we can cancel. 40 minus 28, that is positive 12. Positive 12 means increase by 12%. What is the final change here? Change in the area, that is increase by 12%. Now look at the options. None of these is the answer. Choice number 5, fifth choice is the correct answer. Next example on your screen. Last year there were 630 girls in your school. The number decreased by 20% this year. If the number of boys is 150% of the total number of girls in the school, then find out how many boys are there in the school. 630 originally girls. Now this year decreased by how much here? 20%. 20% means now it is 80%. 80% equal to 4 by 5. The fraction which is equal to 80%, that is 4 by 5. What happened here? Boys are 150% of the girls. Boys and girls, when you observe, girls is 100%, boys is equal to 150%. Now, what is the ratio? It is 3:2. Boys and girls ratio here 3:2. Boys are 3 parts and girls are 2 parts. Now simplify. The 2 into 5, that is a 10, and 0 get cancelled. Now simplify this. 4 into 3, that is a 12. 12 into 60, 720 plus 3 times of 12, 36. 720 plus 36, that is 756. Option 1, first choice is the right answer. 3 into 4, 12. 12 times of 60, 720. 12 times of 3, 36. By adding these two, we get 756, option 1. Now, look at the next example on your screen. Ram got 170 marks and Radha scored 75% in the same test. The Radha scored 205 marks more than the Ram. What was the maximum marks in the test? The number of, what is the total marks means the maximum marks set for an examination. Radha scored 75%. 75% is the score of Radha. What about the marks? Radha scored 75% and here 205 marks more than Ram. Ram got how much here? 170. So what about the Radha? Radha is equal to 205 plus 170. By adding these two, the value is equal to 375 marks. Percentage wise change, that is 75. Percentage wise 75, marks wise it is 375. Marks score is 375. Then what to find? Total marks, that is the maximum marks set for an examination. 100% is equal to question mark. Dear students, 5 times of 75. 5 times of 75 is equal to 375. Just observe 5 times of 100, that is 500. By looking at the fact multiples here, easily we can answer the question. So 5 times of 100, that is 500. Right choice, option 4. Choice 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Of course, you can do cross multiplication as well. Look at next example. Rakesh's salary is 20% more than Mahesh's salary. By what percent Mahesh's salary less than that of Rakesh? Rakesh and Mahesh. Rakesh is how much more here? 20% more. When Mahesh is 100%, Rakesh is 120%. What to find? Less percentage. Percentage less. Percentage less means difference by higher value. Difference is 20. Higher value is 120 into 100. Simplify. 20 it goes exactly 6 times in 120. 1 by 6 into 100, that is 16.66%. Or 16 by 3%. Right choice, option 3. Third choice is the correct answer. Okay. Now, next example on your screen. When the two digits of a two-digit number are reversed, the number obtained is 6 more than half the original number. Also, the new number obtained is 57 1 by 7% of the original number. Find the sum of the digits of the original number. My dear students, I am assuming the two-digit number as AB. A in the tens position, B in the units position. The numerical value 10A plus B. What are the two conditions? Condition number 1. First condition. Look at the first one. Reverse of the number. Reverse of the number means BA. What do you mean by BA? 10B plus A. It is how much more? 6 more than half of the original number. Half of the original number means half of the 10A minus 10A plus B. So here the difference is 6. This is the first condition. Condition number 2. Second condition. The new number is 57 1 by 7% of the original number. 57 1 by 7%. What is the equivalent fractional value? Now here 57 1 by 7 is equal to how much? 4 by 7. The value of BA is equal to 4 by 7 of the original number. So these are the two conditions given. Now just check. Here BA means 10B plus A. Similarly, here AB means 10A plus B. This is 10A plus B. Okay. By doing cross multiplication, 7 times of 10B, that is 70B plus 7A equal to 4 times of 10A, that is 40A plus 4B. By taking A on one side, B other side, 40 minus 7, that is 33A, is equal to 66B. The value of A is equal to 2 times of B. A is equal to 2B. My dear student, just let's assume what are the numbers possible. So here AB, I am taking it as A is equal to how much? 2B. When B is equal to 1, A is equal to 2. When B is equal to 2, A is equal to 4. When B is equal to 3, A is equal to 6. Similarly, 4 and 8. These are the original numbers, which is satisfying the condition of A is equal to 2B. Now, out of these values, which value is satisfying the condition number 1? We need to choose the answer. The answer is satisfying both the conditions. Now, by using the second condition, we got 4 possibilities. Now, which possibility is satisfying the first condition? Now, BA minus half of the AB is equal to 6. So, what is the half of this value? Now, when you subtract from the reverse of the number, then the result is 6. Reverse of the number is 12. Is it equal to 6? No. Incorrect. Similarly, reverse of this number is equal to 24. Now, half of this original number subtract from this. Is it equal to 6? No. Half of the 42 is equal to 21. The difference of 24 and 21, it is 3. Incorrect. Similarly, reverse of the 63, that is 36. Subtract half of the original number. Is it equal to 6? No. Then what is the right answer? Choice 4. Fourth possibility is the right answer. Let's check here. What is the reverse of this? 48 minus half of the original number. Half of the original number means 42. How much is the difference? That is 6. What is the right answer? Right answer is equal to here. Fourth possibility means 84. 84 is the original number. What to find? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So, right answer option 3. Third choice is the right answer. Now, look at the next example on your screen. A reduction in 33.13% in the price of salt per kg enables a person to purchase 9 kgs more. Find the initial price of salt per kg if his expenditure of rupees 270 remains the same. Expenditure is same, enables a person to buy 9 kgs by reduction in the price. How many kgs more here? Here enables 9 kgs more by reducing the price. So, here 270 and enables a person to buy 9 kgs extra. So, price by more in quantity into reduction, 1/3 is the reduction. 1/3 is the reduction means the remaining is how much? 2/3. Simplify, it will give the original price. What is the original price means? 3 and 3 get cancelled. 9, it goes exactly 30 times. 30 by 2, that is 15. 30 by 2, that is 15. Right answer option 3. Third choice is the correct answer. Now, look at the next example on your screen. The ratio of income of X to that of Y is 2:5, and each spends 20% of their respective salaries on rent. Find the rent paid by X if the amount remaining with the X and Y together is 84,000. Each one spends 20%. 20% is expenditure. Rent means remaining is 80%. So, 80% of X and Y is equal to 84,000. What is the 80%? 80% means 4 by 5 of X plus Y. X is equal to 2K. Y is equal to how much? 5K. Now 2K plus 5K, that is 7K, which is equal to 84,000. 7 here, it goes exactly how many times? 12 times. What about 4? 3 times. The value of K is equal to 15,000. K is equal to 15,000. What to find? The amount. If the amount here, 84,000 together, then find out the amount paid on rent. So, what is the paid on the rent? So, here salary of X is equal to 2X. So, 2K. 2K means 2 into 15, that is 30,000. And what is the expenditure here? 20%. 20% means 20% is equal to 1/5. So, what is the value of 1/5 of 30,000? That is 6,000 rupees. What is the right answer? Choice 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now, look at the next example. Mishra spends 15% of his salary on bill payments and 20% on shopping. Out of the remaining, he spends 40% on food and saves the remaining. If his savings are 5850 every month, what is monthly salary? What is the first expenditure? 15 and 20. Together here, 35. So, 35% is the expenditure on bill payment and shopping. The remaining means 100 minus 35, 65%. In that 65%, 40% spends on food. 40% on food means the remaining is 60%. 60% means 3/5 of the value. 3/5 is the remaining part. That is the savings. So, what is the savings here? Savings is equal to 39%. 40% is the food, expenditure on food. Remaining is 60%. 60% means 3/5. Now, 3/5 of 65%, that is 39%. The value of 39% is given here as a 5850. What to find? Monthly salary. That is 100% is equal to question mark. Yes, my dear student, just simplify this. It goes how many times? 39, one time 39. Okay, left with how much here? 39 means it goes how many times? 5 times of 39. So, what is that? This is 15 times. 15 times means 0 is common. So, 150 times. Now, just observe the value. 150 into 100. That is 15,000. Right choice, option number 2. Second choice is the right answer. So, here 15 times means 10 times of 10. 15 times means 10 times plus 5 times. 10 times of 39. 390. Half of the value. That is a how much here? Half of the value 1, 9 and 5. By adding this, it is a 5, 8, 5. So, 15 times of, so this is a 10 times and it is a 5 times. So, 10 times plus 5 times, that is a 15 times. 15 times is equal to 585, 0 common, simplify. Then the answer is 15,000, option number 2, second choice. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.